This trip is gonna be a lifetime memory for me, not because it's beautiful, but because of the challenges and because of the experiences I faced in this trek. And this is unexplored Agumbe, and you do not want to miss this video, so watch this till the very end. There's also going to be a part 2 of this video, so subscribe and comment below and just enjoy this video. We're going to be starting the trek in a while. We're just waiting at a checkpoint to start the trek. And yeah, we're getting ready, trek ready, and we'll immediately start the trek after this. For this trek, I'll be using the F91W as my watch for the video. And let's stress test this F91W whether it can handle a rough trekking scenario, because last time we did it with the HMT Janta and it worked perfectly, but this time we're using the F91W. Many people usually prefer the G-Shock, but I'm using the F91W, showing that this is capable of surviving even the roughest of terrain. Will this survive? Who knows? Let's put it to the test, shall we? So we freshened up and then headed over to have some breakfast, and after that we went to the base camp of the trek. And going through the Western Ghats is just such a beautiful thing. I just love the place. And then we officially started the trek, and we were just greeted with green, green, green all over, and it was just beautiful. Hey guys, we have officially begun the trek, and actually I don't even know where we're going. Where are we going, bro?
It's a hidden.
Hidden. This is literal untamed forest trek, but I don't know where it is. So I went through Monksteps, that's all I know. Here we are in the jungle trail, not deep into the forest yet, but significantly in untamed wilderness. Gotta watch out for, you know, animals and insects and leeches, but it's pretty sunny, so it's not raining. That's fine. The leeches were least to my worries. My main worry was Agumbe is a rainforest and it's home to many of the snakes we know today, especially pit vipers. And we literally saw one on our way. Now we're going deeper into the forest. Keep in mind, this is untamed wilderness. Gotta be careful. Even with all the dangers, you gotta keep in mind that this is their natural habitat. These animals only attack when they are threatened, so it's best to keep your distance and not harm these beautiful creatures. Could finally see the destination from afar, and my leg was covered in leeches, but the trail just became extremely beautiful with lush greenery on all four sides. Here's where the trek started getting difficult, because now we were going through the river trail and the slippery rocks were a big challenge.
Yeah, no. Rock.
Okay, rock.
From here onwards, don't put the leg on.
Okay. Oh, nice. Say hi. Okay, Ali. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Damn, it's so steep.
ಇದು ಟ್ರಕ್ ಟ್ರಯಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ
Going.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಹಂಗೆ ದಾಟಕಾಟ ಎಡಗಾಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಮಲಗಾಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗೆ ಬಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
India. Next to.
ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಈ
ಹಾ.
ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಈ ಸೈಡ್
ಇದು
ಈಗ ಈಗ
ಈ ಸೈಡ್. And finally, we reached our destination, the hidden waterfalls. Guys, we reached. This place is so beautiful, from the waterfall and the lush nature around us and the clear water. This place has been untouched by humans, and I feel that, you know, we gotta gatekeep our nature spots, because the minute a place gets popular, it gets littered and gets dirty. So I feel you gotta keep this hidden from the world. Hi, we reached. Wait. And yeah, this is the spot. Crazy, right? And this is how we came from. As you can see, it's peak. Now we have to head back, and that's the trail. Look at these webs, they belong to the water spider. Look how strong they are, even through the water. That's the water spider right there. But look at such marvelous, structure they made, and how strong it is. And that is Agumbe Trek conquered. No, I say that after every trek. So it's like
what happened to your legs?
not my leg, her leg. I think there are a lot of leeches on my leg, but yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Everybody's being recorded in this.